No. So fucking dirty.
Where is it? Oh, I see it. I just busted head.
Ninja. What now? Where'd it go?
You can't see the moth in the video though.
It's by the watermelon. Get away from the watermelon, bro. I want to kill it on so get my feet off of there.
What? Do it go?
Ew. I killed it. It was suffering. Tell me it didn't go in the drawer.
It did.
Get out.
Where'd it go?
It definitely flew in the drawer.
But you definitely killed it.
Oh, it's in there.
You killed it.
No,
No, it came
it's
back to life.
It's disgusting.
Is it dead?
I don't think so. This thing is like a cat. I got 15 lives. It's in there. Let me just get another stick.
I have to pee.
Rest in peace.
Dead moth. I'm scared if it comes back to life again.
Do not. Want that stick? Oh.
It's crying.
I can't pick it up.
It's not meant to be on a stick.
Hey, you never know.
This is gonna make me throw up.
I can't pick it up.
I already threw up once today.
Ew.
It's a pretty sight. You can get out of the way. Why is it like flipping out?
Cause I can't pick it up. It's completely dead. I just can't.
I don't think we're tired. I think we're overtired. There's man folks out there. You learn them all.
Oh! I forgot I had a dog.
Rocky, here, eat them all.
No, he would too.
I know he would. I guess he is.
No. Get out. You can look up the guts. Hey. That's your business.
Wave bye to the camera. Am I supposed to still be recording?
Yeah.
Okay. You said, how am I supposed to kill it on the stove? We eat there. Oh, well. Did he do that on purpose?
I think so.
Say bye, Rocky.
Goodbye.
Rocky.
Kisses.